In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious. Dear students, hope you are doing great. Today, we are going to discuss a grammatical term pronoun. Its Urdu translation is meaning. Pronoun, it is one of the parts of speech. Pronoun is a word. They replace a noun in a sentence. They replace a native person like a native word like person, place or thing in a sentence. यानी इसमें ज़मीन वो लफ्ज़ है या प्रोनाउन वो लफ्ज़ है जो किसी सेंटेंस में नाउन को रिप्लेस करता है, उसके जगह पे इस्तेमाल होता है. Why? To avoid repeating the same noun over and over. Because if we use a same noun again and again, so the sentence looks upward. The tone of the sentence is not good and attractive. So that's why avoid the repetition of a noun again and again, we use pronoun, we take the help of pronoun. So you may also say that pronoun is equal in range to a noun. ये अपने range या मर्तबे में noun के बराबर होता है. Because both does the same job or function in a sentence. The job of the noun does the job of subject, does the job of the object of the verb, object of the preposition, the complement, and the same is the case with the pronoun. The pronoun too does the job of a subject, object, object of the preposition, or object, complement. Let's come with the example. Here we have a sentence. Sarah bought a car because Sarah liked the car. So look at this sentence. Here we have a repetition of the noun. You see Sarah here, and again it repeated over here. Sarah liked the car. Another noun that is a car, there is again the repetition of a noun, a car over here and the car. So it's not look good, its tone is not good. Sarah bought the car because Sarah liked the car. So by using the pronoun, the sentence would be Sarah bought a car because she liked it. So here you see, she is the pronoun that replaces a noun Sarah, while it is the pronoun and it replaces the noun the car. So this is the use of the pronoun in a sentence to avoid the repetition of a noun again and again and make our sentence very clear and attractive, good and hearing. Next we come to the types of the pronoun. So we have different types of the pronoun. For example, we have personal pronoun, we have indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, infinitive or intensive pronoun. Apart from this, we have demonstrative pronoun, we have interrogative pronoun, we have reciprocal pronoun, distributive pronoun, negative pronoun, expletive or jimmy pronoun. So we have different types of the pronoun, but here in this session we are going to study some of the pronouns that are commonly used or come in our way in the 9th class course. Personal pronoun, these are the pronouns that refer to specific person, place, or things. So all the pronoun that is I, you, we, they, he, she, it, mine, me, mine, our, theirs. All these are the personal pronoun. It's called personal pronoun. So, for more convenience, we further divide all these pronouns into three main categories. The first person pronoun, we arrange all these pronouns into three categories. First person pronouns. So first person pronouns refer to the speaker, the person who speaks. So I and we. These are the first person pronoun. I is a singular and we a plural. For example, I'm reading. So I refer to the person who speaks the words that I know I'm reading. We are playing. So the person, I himself, they speak, so we use the pronoun we. Second person pronoun refers to the person or the people who are listeners, to whom we address. जिससे हम मुहावरे होते हैं, जो हमारी बात को listen करते हैं, they are the listener, and they are you, yours, these are the second person pronoun. The third person pronoun refers to the topic whom we talk about. जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं, वो topic, यानी the person not present right there, but we talk about that person, whether he, she, or something. So it's a third person pronoun. So in third person pronoun, we have he, she, it, they, her, and his. Further, all these pronouns change their form. ये अपने शक्ल तब्दील करते रहते हैं based on their grammatical role in a sentence. Yani according to their role in the performance in a sentence, these pronouns change their form. यानी जुमले में अपने grammatical role या किरदार की बिना पर ये सारे इसमें ज़मीर या personal pronoun अपने form, अपने शक्ल सूरत जो है वो change कर देते हैं. For example, they take the form of, they change into number. Mean we use some pronoun as a singular and some pronoun as a plural. For example, he, she, it, they are singular, but they we use for plural. The same, they change the gender. They change the gender, mean change into male or female. Masalan, he is a male, she we use for female. Another change is their grammatical case. ये अपने हालत को तब्दील करते हैं. So on the basis of the grammatical case, they are further divided into three classes. On the basis of grammatical case, they change the form in three. The तीन तरीकों से ये sentence के अंदर अपनी शक्ल तब्दील करते रहते हैं. उसको हम यहाँ पे mention करते हैं. For example, subjective case. Another name is nominative case. उर्दू में इसको कहते हैं हालत फ़ाइल. यानी when it does the job of the subject. The another one is possessive case or genitive case in Urdu, halat mulki. And when it takes the form of possession, when it shows belongation, ownership or possession. यानी जब ये किसी चीज की मलकियत को जाहिर करता है. The third case is called objective case. Another name is accusative case, और इसको कहते हैं हालत मफूली. When it used as an object in a sentence. Object means when it receives an action. Now let's come to the different. The first person pronoun I is a subjective case, objective case, mine, and objective. Possessive case, mine, and their objective case is me. First person plural we, subjective case, objective case, all, and objective case. For example, the second person you, yours, and you. The same here. The third person we have me, he, his, him. She, her, and her. Plural, they, their, theirs, them. It, its, and it. Again, it's the object. Now, we come to the different types of the pronoun. So we start from the personal pronoun is here. Personal pronoun refers to the word or the pronoun they use for a specific person, place, or thing. So I, you, he, they. This come to the second is the indefinite pronoun. The indefinite pronoun are used to refer people or things in general, not specific. ऐसे चीजें या लोग या person जो कि specific ना हो, general form में हम use करते हैं. For example, anyone, someone, everything, few, many, nobody. Example, everyone enjoyed the movie. Something smells good. So here in this example, everyone doesn't refer to some specific person. It's referred to unknown, not specific person in general. Okay? Is there something? Yeah, someone knocked at the door. So this someone is not a specific person. ये कोई दरवाजे पे दस्तक दे रहा है तो ये कोई जो है specific नहीं है. Another we have a relative pronoun. A relative pronoun in a sentence, a pronoun they introduce a class. Class is a group of words. So these pronouns always introduce a class. It used in the beginning of a class is a part of the sentence. In a sentence का एक हिस्सा होता है जिसको हम क्लास कहते हैं, जो दूसरे पार्ट के साथ जो है कनेक्ट हो जाता है. तो इस क्लास का जो फर्स्ट वर्ड होता है, इसका जो इंट्रोडक्टरी वर्ड होता है वो रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन इंट्रोड्यूस अ क्लास and that class, that relative pronoun that class provide more information about a noun. For example, who, whom, whose, which, that. Look at the example. The student who won the prize is my brother. In this sentence, this is a class, a group of words. This is a part of the sentence. And who is the relative pronoun? It introduces the class and it does two jobs. One, it refers to the student. It replaces the student or here. It is used in place of a student, and another, it relates this part in this class to this. So the student who won the prize is my brother. So in this case, who is a relative pronoun? It relates this part, the class to this part of the sentence. So it gives us information about the noun. It's the more information about the noun student. Another we have possessive pronoun. The possessive pronoun are the pronoun they use to show ownership or possession. Mine, yours, his, hers. All these are possessive pronouns. They blue bicycle is mine. These markers are mine. So here, mine is a possessive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun used when the object of the sentence is the same as the subject. जब किसी sentence में object the doer of action and the receiver यानी action receive करने वाला वो same हो तो उसको हम possessive reflexive pronoun कहते हैं. For example, we have myself, yourself, herself, ourself, dearself. All these are the possessive pronoun. For example, he taught himself how to play guitar. So here, he is the doer of an action and himself is the receiver of an action. So the subject and the object of the sentence are the same person. So for such cases, when the subject and the object of the sentence they are the same, we use the reflexive pronoun. Another pronoun is intensive pronoun, another name is emphatic pronouns. These pronouns are identical or similar to the reflexive pronoun. For example, myself, yourself, herself, all these pronouns are called intensive or emphatic pronoun. When these pronouns used only for emphasize something, यानी किसी चीज पे जोर डालने के लिए या ताकीद करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. और इसका फर्क इससे ये होता है कि if you remove the intensive pronoun, still the sentence make a sense. अगर आप sentence से इसको निकाल भी देते हैं, उसके मतलब वही रहता है, इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं होता. For example, the Prime Minister himself attended the grand opening. Prime Minister ने खुद भी एक अजीम ओपनिंग जो है उसमें शिरकत की, अजीम इफ्तिताह में शिरकत की. The here himself is the intensive pronoun. Here it is used to emphasize, but if we remove this one, so the sentence still make a sense. For example, the PM, the Prime Minister, attended the general opening. By removing this pronoun, the sense still the same. It makes no difference. Such a pronoun is called intensive. And so other pronoun we have. So till now it's enough. And see you next time. Goodbye.